It's not really downhill, it's actually kind of straight. Good job, Anna. You did it. Mommy did it too. Woohoo! Now you're going down a little bit of a hill. Not bad. Look at there, Anna. You're doing it. Oh, this is fun. Now you don't have to worry about anything now. So now you can kind of relax a little bit. Now this is fun! Okay. Maybe they'll go around. Let's see if they'll go around so you don't have to stop. Because sometimes, usually, they'll go around. It's like a little schnauzer. You're not going out right now, Jackie Poo. Yeah. Yeah. And you'll feel it. You'll feel your tire just go whoop. But this is good for you. This is how you learn. Okay, we're going to go in the grass, okay? Just keep your speed the way you were. And then I'm going to stop. Yeah. It's a dirt bike. It's a cross. I'm going to stop.
Oh my gosh.
Isn't that cool? Then we'll let you be in front.
Oh man, that was funny.
Wasn't that fun?